Hi, dear pal, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. And in this video and this tutorial, we'll be showing you 5 important functions you can use in Jamboard, alright, to increase your appeal of your assignment or even to help you with beautiful creation of notes and mind maps to increase your learning. And if you're a teacher, you can also use it to create beautiful presentations and notes or classroom activity. This video is broken down into 2 parts, and in part 2, this video itself will be showing you how you can insert beautiful pictures that you can search in the net and can be transparent too, right? The next one will be showing you how to use pen, marker and highlighter functions and even a brush function, right, to increase the appeal of your Jamboard, alright? And last but not least, we'll be showing you how do you add background into Jamboard and the new function by Jamboard, right? A background Jamboard that you can create on your own. And if you would like to receive a free background, please view to the end of the video and you will be given a link where you can put into your Chrome and download free backgrounds I've created, alright, for your own use. It will be downloaded into your drive. Also, stay to the end. You'll also be given a link where you can click a picture to show you the first video, part 1, where we'll also show you how you can insert text, alright, into your Jamboard or insert beautiful shapes, okay, to increase the attractiveness of your Jamboard product. I hope this will be useful for you and you will love to be notified of future video. Please remember to click subscribe at the bottom or click subscribe up here in this line, alright? And we will also show you how do you use all these functions to create beautiful mind map just for demonstration in this video. And then we will dive right in. Now we'll move on to the third tip. That is insert image. And this insert image function is right on top of the shape function, and this is it, right? The square box with 2 mountains, right? You click on it, you can add from various ways, right? You can upload directly from your hard disk, or you can actually take a image or pictures directly. And this is what I like, right? Google Drive, right? And this is where you can find all your photos. You can directly upload all the photos from your Google Drive that you already saved, right? This is where a lot of our pictures could be found if you have saved them in Google Drive. Of course, one wonderful feature about Google Suite, all the apps, is that you can find your images in the Google, right, search. And this is where you find them, Google Images. And any of these images that you find here, click on that, right? You can use it in your the school's activities or your work by just typing in the title of the image that you want to find in the Google search up there. Okay, the purpose of Google Mind Map is to insert pictures that actually helps you with your memories. You can also insert any other shapes that helps you with your presentation, right, of your work. Right, so in this case, I would like to insert shapes, okay, to enhance the meaning of shapes, and I would like to recommend you these 3 little letters, okay, PNG, meaning you are finding pictures that are transparent, right, or you can actually add transparent, alright, and they will give you the same kind of pictures that will have no background. Okay, cool, let's enter, and then you will see some of the examples. Okay, so imagine, okay, this will be a good shape because it's similar to those that are used in Jamboard. I will double click on it. Okay, and it appears transparent. Okay, that's the magic of PNG. Alright, so I just have to adjust it and move it towards the place, okay, of my shapes. Cool, and I can search the rest. Insert the rest through the search. Next, I'll search for picture to represent text. I enter after typing in. Okay, this is good. Just double click on it. Sometimes it may not appear transparent like this, alright? So, but because I'm putting it as A, yes, it does, alright? Sometimes it does. It may not appear as transparent, then you have to choose another. Okay, so this one happened to be just nice. Okay, adjust it and I put it at the right place. Next, we'll demonstrate how do you use pen, marker, highlighter, alright, to draw beautiful shapes and lines and wordings onto your drawing or your mind map or assignment. To access the pen, marker, highlighter function, it is right here at the top of this panel, right? That looks like a pen. Just click on it. Okay, the choices will be up at the top of this panel, right? The first one on the left will be pen, followed by marker, followed by highlighter, and of course, in addition, there is also a brush, right? So now we'll demonstrate marker for a start. Okay, if you have a if you can use a mouse, it is alright. Okay, for example, alright. And if you have a stylus, then it will be even smoother. Alright, my map. Cool. Okay, when it is not drawn nicely, okay, don't worry. I'll show you additional extra tip, and that is the eraser function. Just click on the eraser and then just go to the wordings that you want. Right? Okay. Alternatively, what you can do is just to click the undo. Alright? So I can actually undo the wordings I do not want. So next I will demonstrate how do you use a highlighter, alright, to highlight all the important words on the mind map or your assignment. Let's say, for example, I like to highlight yellow, okay, on my image, okay, and I like to have green for my text, and I could actually have blue for my shapes. Cool. Okay, last but not least, it will be the pen function. Just click on it, the pen, and then the pen again, right? And then you can go around writing it. Okay, so we have 4. You can imagine I want it to be black instead. Okay, I have 4, and this is pen. Awesome, right? This is thinner than the marker itself. So the good use of one of this is a marker for drawing the mind map, and that is to draw the lines, right? And therefore I have a line, and I would like to change the color. Okay, for pen to be in red. Okay, so I can draw a line over here. Okay, another line over here, another line over here, and I can use them as, so I meant highlighter in this case, okay, to have a thicker line. And then now I'll use marker, okay, for bigger word, alright, to write on the lines for the purpose of mind mapping. Okay, so I can have it in black pen as one of the style, okay, then marker and so on. Cool. Then let's not forget our bonus tip on the usage of the brush, and take a look at how it looks like. Alright, so brush will be thicker and lighter look than the highlighter. And finally, last but not least, we will be demonstrating now how do you add beautiful background to your assignment, even your mind map, to make it more enticing, appealing, and beautiful. And remember, right after this, we'll be giving you a link so that you can download or the old copy beautiful backgrounds for your own usage, alright, that are enticing, or you can use in all your Google Slide or all your PowerPoint, anything, alright, to increase the engagement of your students. So how do you add background? Alright, if you want to know more details about adding background, you can click on the link on top. Alright, I have a video that shows you precisely into more details how you can do it. But now for a short and quick one, right, I will show you the function is over here. It's a new function that is set up by Google, alright, in Jamboard, alright. Okay, to add your own pictures of background, and there you go, set background. Just click on that. Alright, the new function is over here, right at the bottom right. Okay, you can add background that you have designed, right? And I've designed a very simple background for mind map purposes. Right, in this case, you can any background. Okay, just click on the images that you have saved in your Google Drive. Okay, and it will fall nicely. But just to take note, alright, before when you design it, you actually have to make sure that it falls exactly in the same size. That means it's good for you to design it in Google Jam, and then you just cut out the frame, alright? Or you can download it by clicking here. Okay, the three dots at the top right hand corner, click on it, alright, and then you can download, save that, but this particular frame as an image, and then you download it into your Google Drive. Right, this is how you do it, and we have completed all 5 items. Alright, in the first video, insert text, insert shapes. Right, later at the top right hand corner, at the end of the video, you can actually get a link, okay, to the first video and how to do this. Right, and we also in this video shows how you insert image, pen, markers, and highlighters, and add background. Awesome. This is the link to the beautiful backgrounds that you can use for your own designs of slides and Jamboard and anything. Alright, just type this email address into your Chrome, alright, and click enter. You will get a copy of your own. Cool. I'm glad you liked this video, and you would like to be first to be notified of future videos that are wonderful that will help you with your EdTech. Alright, please click subscribe at the bottom, or click subscribe at this round button here, and I look forward to see you again. Take care.